Hello, this is my first video about Inventor, Autodesk Inventor Professional, and I want to model this this assembly in Autodesk Inventor. If you have any question, let me know. Okay, first of all, we can choose our project. If you don't have your own project, you can make it by going to setting part. In this part, you can right click and click on new. You can choose between these two options. Because I don't have Vault software on my computer, I use single user. You can specify the folder and the project name. I'm going to write here project, for example, 1, and that's it. I want to change the folder to multimedia YouTube live, and this is project 1. Project 1. Okay. Go to next. I don't have electrical. I don't need electrical library, so I go to. I don't have finish. I do finish here. Okay. Okay, done. If you check, I have a project name and it is a IPJ file. It means inventor project file. Okay, let's begin. Okay, I'm going to make an assembly. So I choose assembly. From tools, document setting, you can check your units. I have inch and pound. I want to change it to meter and gram, kilogram. Or I can close the assembly and use and use this template. Go to metric, standard assembly millimeter. I have millimeter here, so I can create it again and check it. From tools, document setting, units. I have millimeter and kilogram. I can change them whenever I want. That's okay. So let's create the first part. I want to start with this one, part number 3, and pressing plate. I want to name it pressing plate. Pressing plate. Okay. I go to create. From here, you can choose what kind of file, what kind of part you want to make in this assembly. I choose standard millimeter. Okay. The name is, I choose pressing plate. This file is going to save in this directory because I choose this directory in my project. You can check it if I save the file. Okay. Pressing, that's okay. I choose center point of the assembly. Okay. I want to save my project, my assembly. So I click to save. Where is it? Okay. I have to return to the assembly so I be able to save this assembly. I want to name my assembly like document sealing cylinder. That's it. Sealing cylinder. Okay. And you can see the name of assembly file have been changed. Okay. I go to pressing plate. I double click on it and I want to use 2D sketch on XY plane. Okay, that's it. For create pressing plate, I need to use circle a couple of times. Okay, let's do it. I have circle from the center point and the diameter is 320. Okay, I can create two circle here and the diameter is 5. Okay, I can use equal to have the same diameter. I want to mirror these two circles from to be in the row. Okay. I use symmetry constraint and choose the first circle for then second circle and Y axis. I want to construction this line so you can check if they are mirrored. And also I want to put center of the circle on Y axis. I can use this coincident constraint. Choose the center point and x-axis. That's okay. Okay. For have a good constraint, I need to specify distance between these two circles. I choose dimension. I can put it to 140. Okay. Also, I want to make a rectangle and I want to use trim. Okay. I want this circle and line to be tangent, also this one. But I have this line. This is excessive. I can use trim. Okay. I want to do this again. And also I can use mirror. But here I want to make it by myself. These are, I can use delete. Okay, use tangency, tangent extrude. Okay, let's trim this line. Okay, I need to use these for connect these 2 points. And also this. Let's see. Okay, I have changed some dimension. I have deleted some dimension, so I have to specify the diameter. Okay, it's 320. And also I can use equal constraint to make this. Okay, that's it. Let's assume this could be in the middle and 62. Okay. Okay. There is an arc here. We can make it in different way. Okay, let's make this circle. So I click on this surface, create a sketch, and for creating that part, I make 200. Okay, okay. Let's use extrude and choose cut. The depth of that circle is 6 mm. For creating that arc, I can use XY plane, for example, create an a sketch on it. I can click slice graphic, it's okay, and let's tangent this line to this. Diameter is 1170 millimeter. And I want to project this line. Okay. I want to make sure that this circle is on Z axis. Okay. So in this part I can use revolve plane, this, okay, and the axis is Z axis. Okay. Oh, I see a fault here. So So let's check what is the result. Let's project this one. I want to check them by inspect. Okay, it's not in the middle. Okay. No, it's not. Let's measure this. And this. Let's see if any question I have here. There isn't any question. Okay, let's check what's wrong with our model. It is in the middle. That's it. This is okay. Okay. And I have done something wrong here. Let's check. What's wrong with this sketch? Let's check what's wrong. Okay, I can delete these two lines and make a rectangle. Here I want to put 320 and 62. Okay, we have an error. Okay, let's edit feature. I want to choose this profile. Okay, that's it. It's like exactly like the document. Okay, let's create these holes. We have 6 holes. Diameter is 34. Okay, let's create a plane tangent to this surface, and it's normal to z-axis. Plane axis. Okay, I can do this. This surface and XY plane. I want to XY plane. this is my plane. I want to create my hold on this. Okay, I choose hold function. Let's check if I have any question. There isn't. Okay. I want to choose this type, and the hole is 22. I have 22. Okay, it's a simple hole. It's not cleansed hole. This dimension is 34, and this one is okay. Let's choose point here. No, it's in the wrong place. Let's create a sketch on this plane. I want to choose a point here. Okay, let's do that again. Let's choose this 34. Okay, direction should be in this way. 11 and 22. Okay, I have to choose edit my point. Okay, I have my point on display. I put my point on the Y axis. Okay, let's put it on Y axis. Okay, make it constructions, and I want to pattern this point. Use circle geometry point axis. Let's, if I turn on the construction here, I can use this. I make it construction. Okay, use circular geometry. My axis is here. Yes, that's it. 6 point. I have 6. And in I have to choose the distance between this point and circle, or I can choose distance between these two. It is the distance is 160. Okay, let's edit my whole feature and choose these points. That's it. Let's make this plane invisible. I think I have everything in my model. Okay, no, I have a another feature here. 2. Okay, let's choose jump prefer. It's 2. Okay, anything else? It's okay. Everything goes fine. Update model, save it, and that's okay. Save the assembly. So I want to create this one. That's it. Let's create it. I can create this one by revolve function. Make this sketch and revolve it around this line. I want to name this press disk. Okay, create another press disk. This disk and choose metric standard millimeter. Okay, okay. I want to click here, create a 2D sketch. XZ plane. Okay. I want to choose two-point rectangle. S 360, 46. And this one is 110. Okay. I want to constraint this. Let's do it. I want to use linear constraint for this line to put it on the axis. Okay. Make this construction, and I want to mirror these two lines with x-axis. Okay. These two, I choose these two lines and x-axis. I make this construction. Okay. I have another rectangle here. I want to this dimension, this one. 366. Okay. $20 and 20. Okay. I want to trim this line. Okay, I can use collinear for this line to make it fixed. Fix my. Okay. Anything else? That's okay. Let's revolve this around this axis. Okay. I need some chamfers here. 5. It's all right. Let's check it. So I want to create these holes. I have 15 holes. No. Where is my hole? I have 9 holes. Okay. I want to create my holes here. Okay. I want to create one hole. My hole type. I have to choose this type. Okay. This one is 7. Is 77. And the angle is right. I choose a point here. Okay. This is a blind hole. I have to edit it. I want to choose a distance. It's okay. This type. Let's choose this 100. Okay. No, it's okay. I want to put this on this line and specify the distance. I choose point and y-axis. And distance is 240, 120, 120. Okay. Okay, I want to pattern this feature. I choose circular pattern, hole, my direction angle, my direction line is x-axis. No, it's wrong. It's z-axis. I have 9, sorry, 9. Okay. What else? I have these. Okay. I have this arc here. This arc.